Yes, guys, we're just about to get out of the fort. We've been here for 24 hours.
Hi, welcome to KittiesMama. I'm Emma.
I'm Jonah.
And I'm Noah.
And that's Micah.
And today, we're going to be spending 24 hours in this beautiful McDonald's fort.
And if you're new to this channel, subscribe and hit that bell.
To be notified when we upload more videos.
And if you want to see how we made this fort, you can look at the video up here somewhere, up here, so you can see how we made it.
And since we're going to be spending 24 hours in the fort, we have to go get some things that we need.
So let's go do that.
Welcome to my crib. I'm gonna need this blanket, this boy, and this pillow.
So, the 24 hours has commenced, and the items I have are my tiny-headed kingdom stuffed animal. His name is Nickelby. I have this real Akuma, Espion, a fluffy blanket.
Emma, move your boy. There we go. Yep, there it is.
I have this pink leopard blanket. Did I already mention the iPad and the Apple Pencil? I also have that chicken, but Jonah stole it.
Hey, it's mine now.
No, it's not. I have the school book, my phone, and a pillow. We have some snacks in here, but we also have this window. This way we can grab any food from the drive-thru.
Micah does not have to be in here for the 24 hours, as we are. So he'll just come in here and ravage the place.
For my 24 hours, I brought a Korean Akuma, a blanket, an orange pillow, Paul,
Where you want me?
my phone, some headphones, and an iPad loaded with over $300 worth of apps. So I'm pretty much set.
For my 24 hours, I brought this claw, this banana, this blanket, this pillow, and a good old Umbrarion. Also, I have my laptop, but I left it out there, so
It's pronounced Umbreon.
I'm sorry. That's how I pronounced it when I was a baby. And I was wrong. Anyway, so that's it. Also brought my phone. We also have a few snackles, like Fruit Loops,
Oh my gosh!
Goldfish, Dose, that's our snack. Micah, what is happening?
I'm trying to reposition this because Micah's gonna knock this place over.
So we had two bananas. I don't know where the other one went. I think Micah took
Somewhere
it.
over here. Oh, it's in the tower.
No.
There goes our Fruit Loops. And we have Dose, because Mattel sent us Dose. Thanks, Mattel. It is Mattel. Thanks, Mattel. I don't know what Dose is, but it's Dose.
Micah is going to knock over our food tower and destroy this whole entire place, but this little tower right here, it's hollow on this side, and so I have a banana in there and a juice box, and there's some Fruit Loops, and there's also some pretty fairy lights that I sacrificed, and those ones are turned off for some reason.
The first thing we're gonna do is sit.
First thing I'm gonna do is draw because I was working on a drawing, and I can always read my book later.
And Noah's gonna sit.
Mommy, film this. Come on, my chicken.
Mike, are you gonna stay in here with them for 24
Don't
hours?
throw it. He threw it.
Pew, pew, pew.
So it has been a couple of hours and we are very bored, so we are going to figure out Dose.
Hey, you're joining us again. Hi, buddy.
Go away.
Da.
Dose.
Micah, do you like the fort? He
Nice.
loves it. I think he likes that you guys are in here right now.
That's why that big weed at one time. And, that big weed. The biggest slide in America.
Don't break that. Don't do it. See, he hit me with that earlier. Like what?
Green.
Aha, Dose! Uno.
Do you have to say Uno too, or is it just
I don't think so, but it's funny.
I want a 5.
Hey, guess who's winning? It's me.
Darn.
Winner!
I don't think you shuffled them that way.
And I don't.
All of
I
us
did.
got green.
No, I did. Shuffle
Every one of
them.
us had like
You
8
saw me
greens.
shuffle him. We filmed the B-roll of me.
I don't know.
shuffling.
I'm suspicious. Look at how many greens are in this pile.
Hello. Hello, good sir. Can you get me a game of Uno? Yes.
Here's Uno. I believe Nintendo sent that because it's special.
Thank you, Nintendo, for sending us the Super Mario Kart game.
Whoa, where's the snake coming
Here to
from?
play Uno.
How much more of this snake is there? Wild.
All right, homie. Give me a stack of Uno.
Okay, hombre. Oh, look who's here.
Whoa! Just checking in.
Yeah, this camera is...
It sounds like him in a
That's not what we want. That's not what we want.
You don't want to see my cards. Just kidding. Jonah can see them if he looks at the screen. So don't cheat.
Okay.
All right, that's a 3 and a Wario.
Emma, you didn't say dose. Draw a card, yo.
This is Uno.
Nope,
It
it's
said-
dose. Oh,
said-
it is Uno.
+2, Jonah.
Really getting me.
Pretty sure
Wait,
it's
no,
supposed to
6?
reshuffle, but we played it wrong.
And then we do switcheroony, and we do 5, and we do 7, and we win.
There you go. We as a
All
whole.
right, Jonah won.
Yeah, because I had Uno last, I guess. Because we played it wrong.
Oh well.
We all won!
There's more than
Sure.
one. There's more than Uno way to play it.
Ha ha ha! That's a
I
funny
think
joke.
that's actually like on the box.
Okay, so this game was sent a long time ago. It looks kind of cool.
Bada bing.
This game.
I don't know. I think it needs an iPad.
Well, I mean, I'm not gonna be able to keep it there.
Oh, okay,
Oh,
it's
oh.
dead. It's over. It's over.
Just like that.
Bada
Don't do that.
bing. Got him.
Go like this.
Wow.
That's the flat side.
Beautiful boy. Hurry, rebuild it, or we're all gonna die.
Jonah, you did it wrong.
No, leave it like that.
Oh, you lose.
No, no, we're good.
Yes.
It's a thing. It's for like an event someone's having and it's on Instagram. It's like, oh, make a video. So here the mic wasn't working, but all I'm saying is that we're going to sleep and turning off the lights, and it's just bedtime. And we fixed the mic after this clip, so you have no worries.
So how was your night in the fort?
It's just,
It was
it was very cramped.
Very cramped.
It was fine.
Is Noah snoring over there?
No, it's a game.
Oh. Do you guys want McDonald's breakfast in the McDonald's fort?
Yes.
Yeah. Wow. Why doesn't McDonald's have all-day lunch if they have all-day breakfast?
It snowed last night.
Yeah, saw.
You saw from the fort?
Yeah, there's a window out there.
You guys are ready for your order?
Yeah.
It's the drive-thru. Open the drive-thru window. Okay. The rest of your order, ma'am. There you go.
Thank you. Oh.
So now we're gonna eat McDonald's in the McDonald's fort.
I got a sausage McMuffin with eggs.
You know what's still asleep?
He
Yep.
woke up when I put his sausage biscuit in his armpit. I don't know where that went.
Okay, and I got this like pancake meal thing. We're like that one YouTuber who shipped himself in that box, and that's totally real.
Noah's missing a hash brown.
Sorry. Hey, sorry, did you forget this, ma'am?
I was reaching for it. Here you go.
Okay. No, where's Jonah?
Right there.
I don't know. I'm hiding.
there.
I'm invisible practically.
How much time?
Yeah, Jonah.
How much time, you ask? 1 minute. Can you believe it, guys?
1 minute.
Ow,
Oh.
get off of me.
Man.
Man, I
This-
am excited to get out of this
Okay.
stinkhole of the fort.
Oh my goodness, guys! We're just about to get out of the fort. We've been here for 24 hours.
1 minute
Oh
left.
man, it's been so fun. This
See?
McDonald's, oh man. I'm really excited to
Where
get
did
out
our
here.
trash go?
Man, this place has been super hot and super crammed. I can't wait to leave.
Yeah, it's been hot and
It's gonna
cramped
be
and
like,
sweaty.
wait, okay, guys, we gotta get real for a sec. What's the first thing you're gonna do whenever you get out?
I'm gonna pursue my dreams.
I'm gonna do an outro.
I'm also
9, 8,
Where's my
7,
socks
6,
at?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yay!
I am more exhausted.
You guys
than
are free. What about another 24 hours?
No!
Yeah.
I can get the stuff out later. Jonah's killing me. That's gonna get demonetized. He's throwing pillows at me.
about to break the fort.